Okay, a few students said they had problems with exercise 1.2 in the textbook, so I'll just show you how to do it. Go up to File, New, Data to create a new workbook. In the variable view, write participant ID, gender, age, region, nursing qualifications. So that's your variables. You need to set the missing values to -1. Press on the missing values, discrete missing values, -1. Okay. Do this for each variable. -1. Okay. -1. Okay. -1, okay, -1, okay. Then you go into the data view and you'll see your variables along the top. You then need to put the data in. First of all, to start by the participant column and onto, put in the participant numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Probably doesn't make any difference to this data file whether you add that participant column, but it's good practice to add that in so that if you ever sort your data, you can get it back to the original form. If you sort the data by gender, for example, you right click and say sort in ascending order or descending order or whatever. It will sort the file to get it back to the original order. You can resort by participant ID, so it's a good habit to get into. Now I've already created this file, so I'll go to the one that I've already created. You can add in the labels, so I'll go back and do this. So in variable view I can label each variable. So for example in gender I can make males 1 like it says. So 1 males, like it says in the textbook, 2 females, add. Okay, I do the same for region and nursing qualifications because they're my categorical variables. So I've already done all this in this data file. So the first question for question 1.2 was, exercise 1.2 was to create frequencies and percentiles for each of the categorical variables. So pop gender, region and nursing qualification in here. Make sure you tick display frequency tables. You can put percentiles in there if you want, but we've already, all the information we want will show up without having to go through any of this, unless it particularly asks for a pie chart or something, but I don't recall that it did, so just press OK. And you will get your output in your frequencies table, which in your output folder. So there's your frequencies. So there's gender, there's for the missing data for gender, there's the frequencies and percentages for gender. There's the frequencies and percentages for region, and there's the frequencies and percentages for nursing qualifications. You then need to create a histogram and summary data for age. So you pop age in the dependent list. This is our metric variable. To create the histogram, you need to go in and press histogram, take out stem and leaf, press continue and OK. And you will get the summary data and the histogram. Oops. You then need to create a cross tab. So you go descriptive statistics, cross tabs. You want gender columns, so you put gender in the column, and nursing qualifications in the rows. We want to know the distribution of nursing qualifications for males and females. So we put gender in the column, nursing qualifications in the row. Oops. And then we go to cells and we want percentages in the columns. So we find the distribution of nursing qualifications for males and the distribution of nursing qualifications for females. So the male column adds up to 100%, and you can see the percentage who have a certificate, the percentage who have a diploma, and the percentage who have something else, and same with for the females. And that's it.